Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? I'll walk you through the concealed radar laser system we finished on this Porsche Macan Turbo S. Here is the Redenzo radar and AL priority laser jammers, which is a universal system that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle we work on. On the front of the vehicle, the setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from ahead. We fabricated housings for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. There is also a radar detector hidden behind the front bumper, which will alert you of police officers ahead. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear bumper to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. Laser jammer housings were fabricated to hide the jammers and to prevent modifying the bumper when routing the wires. The rear radar will alert you of police threats from behind. A fabricated bracket was created to mount the rear radar without modifying the vehicle. The factory rearview mirror panel was modified to add a fabricated panel that houses the Redenzo display controller. Through this controller, you can change any settings for the radar and laser systems. Lastly, after our installations are completed, we use laser guns to test the vehicles to make sure the jammers are working properly. You can see in these clips the Macan is jamming the laser gun from the front and rear. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.